If substring and string, when substring has multiple values. I know there is a way to work around it, but I want to understand the underlying logic as to why this doesn't work. It's a very simple statement, and it only returns as true when the first substring in the OR list is shown. What am I missing here? I would think the OR conditions would equal true if any substring was found in the string. As is, I'm only coming up as true if substring 1 is found in string, and no substring 2 or substring 3.
Assuming that substring 1 is not the empty string, this expression evaluates to substring 1 because substring 1 is truthy. This is then checked to see if it's in string. The other substrings have no effect on the statement. In other words, the ORs are evaluated before the in, and the OR evaluates to the first truthy value it finds. This is called short-circuiting. You can't use in that way to check whether multiple substrings are in a string. You want OR.
The problem here is that you are first evaluating S1 or S2 or S3, which will give you S1 if S1 does not evaluate to false. In a Boolean context, empty strings evaluate to false. What you want is S1 in string or S2 in string or S3 in string. This will return true if at least one of the substrings is in the string.
The correct code should be: the above code can find substring when they have multiple values. This expression will return the first item in brackets that is not null. For example, if substring 1 is not null, it will return the value of substring 1. When substring 1 is not null, equals to
It's because Python uses lazy evaluation. For example, will print nothing because it evaluates to true in Python code does not check error, which would ordinarily raise an error and stop the script from continuing.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.